Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, May the 20th, 2022. In this edition we have 6 extra puzzles, but I won't do them all, only 3 of them I will solve. And this one is the last puzzle I will do. And this will be a number 4583. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need um 30 minutes or more. Yeah, let me put this here. 30 minutes or more to solve for a 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, always a 1. There single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we see here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have more dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Here I see a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, can we have 5 anymore because we have a 5 in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Okay. Triple box, more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need more information. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy. The following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have the T shape rotated here. The T shape. Let me draw this T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. T shape, yes. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have the L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember. Oh, overlook this T shape. We have more than one T shape. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box, the T shape. Okay, let me continue with the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. More L shapes. Let me scan. Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Here. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But I see here 1. Can it be a 1 anymore? This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. Here, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. Do we have more? More. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box is the same name as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. With only 4 out of 6, yeah, maximum 6 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Oh, forgot to place the 1 here. This box has the same name as that box, so let me put the 1 there. All right, that means that these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 3. All right. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have another 4 there. So no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Could be a 3. Can it be a 4? We have a 4 there in one of those 2 boxes. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 in this T-shaped area. This box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, could be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. It's in the same area. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 1. That box is also connected with this box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 2 because we have marked those 2 boxes with the 2. So now 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright, this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. Can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright, this box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this L shape area for the number 5. Alright. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5. It goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3. It goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Yeah. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then I think this box, now we have a 1 here, so now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5. It goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5. It goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there, finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you. 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Well, this is an easy one. 1 indication. Publisher, not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the samurai Sudoku, a.k.a. quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.